हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन। एपी शुरू करने से पहले हम सबसे पहले सीक्वेंस पढ़ेंगे। ए सीक्वेंस इज सन of n where n belongs to natural number। सीक्वेंस जो होता है वो फंक्शन होता है n का, एंड here n belongs to natural number। सीक्वेंस हो सकता है इवन नंबर का, ऑड नंबर का। So we can take an example to understand sequence. For example, an is equal to 2n minus 1. Now n belongs to natural number. So first a1, 2 into 1 minus 1, which is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now n equal to 2. That is 2 into 2 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. Similarly, a3 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. From here we can see that 1, 3, 5. Here this sequence is sequence of odd number. एन बी पुट वैल्यू 1 2 3, तुम्हारे पास ओड वैल्यू आ रही है 1 3 5। नेक्स्ट करेंगे तो 7 देन 9, एंड दिस इज अ कॉल्ड सीक्वेंस। नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द सीरीज आर इन a1, a2, a3 as soon as an। This is called series, and this series is series of arithmetic progression, that is AP. Arithmetic, this is called arithmetic progression. Now last term or nth term of AP, that is arithmetic progression, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Here an is the nth term and a is first term and d is a common difference. Now sum of n terms, it is represented by Sn, and Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d bracket close. When the common difference between these series are equal, then it is called arithmetic progression. This is called series. When we add all these numbers, then it is called sum of series, not a series. To understand this, we can take example. हमारे पास कोई सीरीज दी है जैसे 2 6 10 14 as on as. Here the difference between these two is 4 and these 2 is also 4 and these 2 is also 4. So given series in AP, so here first term is equal to 2. यहाँ पर हमारे पास फर्स्ट टर्म 2 हो जाएगी और कॉमन डिफरेंस यहाँ पर है हमारे पास कॉमन डिफरेंस is equal to, that is a2 minus a1 which is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Here common difference, that is a2 minus a1. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, and here d is equal to 4. D represented by common difference. And here we find the 18th term. We have to find 18th term, so we know here nth term n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we find 18th term, n is equal to 18. A18 is equal to a plus 18 minus 1 into d. And here A18 is equal to a plus 17d. 18 minus 1, 17d. A represented first term. Here first term is 2 and common difference is 4. So A18 is equal to 2 plus 17 into 4. Therefore A18 is equal to 2 plus 17 for the 68, and A18 is equal to 17. Therefore 18th term of AP is 70. Now sum of term, that is Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. यहाँ पे हमारे पास n दिया है 18, so 18 अपॉन 2 इंटू a हमारे पास है 2 प्लस n हमारे पास दिया है 18 माइनस 1 और d हमारे पास 4. 18 का हाफ मतलब 18 का आधा 9, 2 जो 4 प्लस 17 इंटू 4, that is 9 into 4, 17 4 is 68, which is equal to 9, 72, and which is equal to 9 2 is 18, 8 7 is 63 or 64. Therefore sum of 18 term is equal to 648. यहाँ तक जो भी टॉपिक था एपी का, ये सारा हम 10th क्लास में यूज करते हैं, and this concept is also be used in +1 class.